I forgot to do something. I forgot to label the parts. If you go back here, after I did the datums and the titles, we're supposed to create the leaders. That's these callouts. So again, I just called this video up and went to the end of the video to remind me, oh yeah, this is what we're doing, is these 4 callouts. So I'll pause the video. See these 4 here? We got to label each one of these views, telling them to stamp the view, stamp the part number onto that view. So under CATIA, it's this same thing, but it's the part number. So there's my part number, right? I can go here, properties, trying to highlight this whole thing and copy it, close that, come back to the drawing, and this is going to be the tricky part, trying to label them all. I guess I'll just start with the top and work my way down. I'll double click the ISO view and go to annotation, and in this case I want to do a leader with the text. I just click an edge, come over here and paste that part number in there, select OK, and just kind of move it around. I think that looks good just like that right there. Alright, I could have it over here, but I want to try and keep it over the part as much as I can. I don't want it over here because I don't want it getting in here. So I could do something like this. Okay. Might have been better if I selected over here on this end. Try and drag this over here. And then drag this over here like this. These have to have some sort of angle to them. Okay, I'll double click this view. So I'm in the top view now, and we'll go back to leader and put a leader on this edge. Come up here and then again paste in the editor. And I got enough room this way. Whoops, wrong one. I'm going to try and grab this, move it this way. Looks a little better like that. Okay, this shoulder here is a little too short. These shoulders should look approximately the same length. Okay, and I'm trying to find a spot where I can get in there. I don't want to interfere with this view, so maybe over here would be best. I try not to cross any of the leaders. So let's go into the front view, double click it on the tree, leader, click a position, paste. Oops, what am I doing? Leader, click on the part, and then move this out, move it down here, and paste. And I'll just grab this green dot if I can. No, sorry. I want to grab this text and move. Click on that and move it right about here. That way I'm not crossing anything. And then for this one, we'll go into the right view, double click it on the tree, text, I'll click up here on top of this, move it about here, and then paste. Select OK. Alright, so we're labeling this part on all the views. And that's what I need to make a print of. Remember, I got to get the blue axis on this border. Right click on the sheet 1, edit the sheet, and it puts the axis there. The view tab, fit all in, and save it just like that. Now you're good to go ahead and do a print and make a PDF of it. Okay, so now that concludes this exercise.